I think the demand for property in 2020 we all are aware of because of the pandemic. But let's look at 2021. I think there is lots of opportunities for a lot of property investors with vaccination being rolled out all across UK, Brexit out of the way. I think as there is a shortage of property, I think there will be a lot of opportunities for developers, property investors, and I think the demand will be greater. As also not forgetting, there will be a lot of investors from Asia like Hong Kong, India, including Europe, all pouring the money into UK, and a lot of looking at property, buying property in London and UK all around. I think the year is going to be exciting. As soon as we are out of this lockdown, we should look at positively. This lockdown differs quite considerably from the previous lockdown where everyone was uncertain of what was happening. This lockdown has a lot of certainty where valuers are working, lawyers are working, MFS is working remotely, but 100% everyone is working in MFS. Also, with the stamp duty holiday, there is a lot of demand for property, including the banks are also looking at lending and coming up with new products, whereas MFS is working fast and efficiently in delivering and meeting everyone's deadlines. So I think the lockdown is good, but I think remote working is working. So there is surely going to be an overload because there is a lot of transactions that is going through in the pipeline. All lenders should be prepared with their own funding lines that they are ready to fund all these transactions and probably be planning and organizing ahead of what is going to come in March, including pre-warning all the valuers and lawyers to be aware that there should be a lot of work coming their way. And from MFS's perspective, we have already allocated extra 150 million to meet this towards this deadline. Firstly, the spring budget should have lots of changes that would be coming through. Second thing is, I believe the Chancellor might also extend the stamp duty holiday. Irrespectively, I think the property pricing is on the rise. As the interest rate being so low, the market will look at buying and investing a lot more into the property. So I think the market will be buoyant and is good days ahead once COVID is behind us.